So I said in the previous lesson we were going to work on tweaking the parrot, and the parrot needs to drop the apples. We'll work on the apple a bit later, but at the moment we're still working on the parrot. So the parrot at the moment, I've just got it set up so it runs to the bottom. Once again, just it crashes, but that's alright, we'll get that sorted later. So here's the parrot, and it's swinging from left to right, and the reason it's doing that is because there are now 4 parrots, not 2, and very similar, if you remember, to the bat lesson at the start. If you go back and have a look, if you're not sure how this works, it goes 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 4 3 4 3 2 through this script here with the new variable called wings, and the script very similar, except it joins parrot wings, the name, which means of course you need to name your costumes like so. Okay, now what you've got to do is do a little bit of artwork here. When you ungroup, you'll be able to put your apple between the claws as well. So your first 4 parrots, you'll have your apple between the claws, and then while you're here, if you duplicate those 4 costumes in order, give you 5, 6, 7 and 8 without the apple. So you just click on it, get rid of the apple in each one of these, make sure they don't move, and so you've got 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8. Now the space bar is what's going to release the apple from the parrot, and it's just a matter of duplicating all this and putting it over here, changing the value of wings and stopping the other script, and making sure you're pointing in the direction, because pointing in direction means that if the parrot's going left, it'll keep going left, and if it's going right, it'll keep going right. So let's just see if this thing works or not. So parrot going that way, and there we go, apple's gone. And we'll work on getting the apple back, but right now we managed to get rid of the apple, which is good. Okay, now there's a heck of a lot of duplication going on here, and I just happen to have, hiding away down here, a second parrot. So this parrot uses a block, and that block is called Parrot, and it's got one variable or option, call it what you like. It's a numeric one, and it's called wings. So if you make a block called Parrot with wings, this will come up, and then what you do is you drag any one of these, doesn't matter which one it is, and put it under there and drag wings down onto there. You then have call up 1. Then in here, all you need to do is put your 2 parrots in with a 1 and a -1 and a 1 and a -1, and watch what happens. First thing we're going to do is go and turn this side off to stop us having a bit of a duplication and problem. So we'll get rid of them, and we'll go back over here, and we'll bring these ones back. This is all temporary stuff, as you probably worked out. So we do that, and then we just click that onto there, and away we go. Looks exactly the same. Exactly the same. But this is a lot neater, because you don't need any of that, you just need that. And of course this jumps will go in here. Once we start running the program, this is when I receive jumps, I want all this to happen. Okay, so in reality this is what we want to happen, like that. Okay, and this one is a hide, like so. And if you run through this with this, and I'm going to delete that parrot, or keep it if you want, just keep it hidden in case things go wrong. Alright, as long as it's hidden, it's not affecting anything. But this is the parrot that would actually do its thing now. So you test it, see how it goes.